a documentary. Oh my God. That was really scary.
They're talking about people in the
So, can I introduce you to the camera?
What?
Can I introduce you to the camera?
Sure.
Okay, hello. This is the 21st century, and this is smoker number one.
This is the 21st century.
22 second, 22.
Okay, what do we do? What are we
then-
saying?
Just that in the
That-
20th century, you remember, you didn't have to go outside to smoke.
We do.
But I don't mind going outside to
Huh?
smoke.
What do you say?
I
Okay.
don't mind going outside
Oh
to
no,
smoke.
it's probably better. Yes.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
better.
Yeah. So like this, you do it less often. Yes.
Where are
Yes.
you
Yeah.
from? Where are you from? Where are you from?
You have to take a guess.
I'm gonna say.
Yeah, I'm gonna say
Spain or Italy.
very close. How about you?
You.
Colombian.
That's
Colombia.
super not close at all.
No.
Colombia.
Extremely wrong.
It's not.
Colombia. Not even close.
What do you mean not even close? I
like
was
your
born in Colombia. Huh?
I like
You're
your
born in
boots.
Colombia.
I was born in
And
Colombia.
now you're
Take a
going
picture.
to.
Well, no, went to school in
That's-
Switzerland, so then I
Oh,
learned.
well, I didn't know
Then,
about you going
then
to
learn how to
school.
speak French, and that's why my language is like, you know,
You
like.
sound like a French person.
Yeah, yeah.
You're
Okay,
beautiful.
well, listen. So you guys are going to go in
Hike up my pants.
We're gonna go in bed.
inside here?
You're beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Are you single? However, how do I find a single woman?
Yeah,
It's impossible.
You're Colombian.
old.
All women
Are we
are single
taking a
and all men are
picture or
single
what?
in Colombia, right?
Can we take
No.
a picture with your boots?
Yes, yes, yes.
You take your boots off.
Yeah.
Hola.
Put them on now.
You
Sam.
want she wants to put the
don't
boots
take
on?
them
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Quiero mucho.
Yeah.
Complicated.
Qué complicated.
So what is your name?
Nassim.
Nassim. What a
I'm
beautiful name.
Persian.
Persian.
And
Oh.
That's
I'm
Persian for
from
dirty whore.
Colombia.
Dirty fucking
You're from Iran?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's
Oh,
from Iran.
I haven't been as
Dirty
far as that.
I
fucking
ran
whore.
from your ass.
I know.
See, only a Colombian would know that a Persian is an Iranian. See? Only a Colombian would know
But
a
did you
Persian
see
is
what?
Iranian.
Did you see what she said? I run from your ass. It's like, no,
ran
I
from
have to
your
go.
ass.
Okay. Okay, so you guys
You
are
dirty whore.
who?
No.
Not me.
She.
No.
No, her.
No,
She's
please.
dirty.
Oh,
Dirty
Whatever.
whore.
So,
She's the dirty
one. I'm a terrorist,
Is it,
you know.
oh no, don't say
Yeah,
that.
she's a
I'm
terrorist.
kidding.
I know because
These are my
Will
Will you
friends.
take our
This is
picture?
yes.
Oh yeah, take our picture.
You have a camera.